How to create your iPhone backup on iCloud. Here is a super easy way to create a backup on your iPhone on iCloud. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now tap on your Apple ID, your name at the top, and navigate to the iCloud settings. Now here you can see iCloud option available there. Scroll and simply tap on the iCloud. Once inside the iCloud, scroll down and you can see iCloud backup option available there. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on the iCloud backup, you will get to see backup your iPhone option available there. Now all you have to do is simply toggle on the switch and tap on the backup now to start an immediate backup. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and keep your device plugged in if the battery is low. You can enable automatic iCloud backups to your iPhone backups daily when charging and on Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.